What's up, everyone? I'm Justin Fraction from Technology Advice. Many years ago, I worked at a law firm on Wall Street, and we had this saying, it's all about accountability, which was only related to the idea that you didn't just need to know what needed to be done, but you also needed to know who was doing it. So if there was ever a question or concern, you could check in with that person. In sales, it's no different. Documentation is important, especially documentation focusing on goals, responsibilities, success measurements, and sales processes. Mapping the sales process is a great way to not just visually show goals and responsibilities, but to also show the strategy behind how those items will be met. In this video, we're going to share ways that creating a sales map can help your business. A sales process map is a visual representation of how your sales team works throughout the sales process. This map may include steps, decision points, and outcomes that may arise during the process. Now, onto the ways sales process mapping improves sales. Want to improve business efficiency and profitability? Process mapping will help you explore each step's value and results. This way, you can find opportunities to reduce waste and boost production. Hit an unexpected challenge? Process mapping can help you by revealing solutions. If you find a team is a blocker, then maybe you need to redefine their turnaround time. Anytime you have a new goal, a sales process map can help you with your development plan. If you make them all the time, then you can use existing process maps to identify which steps are profitable and which actions need to be adjusted or removed. This is a big part of ongoing UX design, focusing on what performed well before and adapting it to your current situation. Process maps help you clearly define each key performance indicator or KPI of a project. By making process maps a regular part of your business planning, you're able to better develop future KPIs by basing them on maps from projects of a similar nature. Tying back to the start of this video, if you ever heard an employee say they need to figure out who handles specific tasks, a process map will come in handy. A clear map promotes transparency, allows teammates to know everyone's role, and helps employees support each other by illuminating who picks up the slack in times of absence. Sales process mapping also helps encourage autonomy. For example, if you're a manager and spend a lot of time answering questions, adding solutions to a process map will help save resources. It's as simple as adding resource links, instructional videos, style guidelines, brand policies, and other process docs which empower teams to seek answers. Not only will autonomy save time, but it will also facilitate a culture of openness because everyone will have access to the same documentation. No one will be left wondering where to go to find answers. Finally, here's a quick rundown of process mapping mistakes to avoid. Don't overcomplicate the process. Capture what's relevant. Don't ignore the customer journey. The map should align with it. Lack of flexibility. A sales process should allow for adaptability. Failure to involve the sales team. Sales process mapping should be a collaborative effort. Lack of measurement and review. Sales process mapping should be an iterative process that is continuously reviewed and optimized. Not providing sufficient training. Training should be provided to ensure everyone understands the mapped process, its objectives, and how to execute it effectively. Understanding and implementing sales process mapping allows everyone to see the steps and important details in one place. It helps define roles and responsibilities, as well as create visibility and understanding for everyone involved. So give yourself the best chance you can at success. If you're not already doing it, try it, and you'll see the benefits it can have on your business. That's it for this video. If you'd like to read the full article it is based on, click this link right here. It's also in the description of the video. For more videos on anything process related, check out our website at TechnologyAdvice.com. Finally, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We love subscribers. Subscribers are cool. We'll see you next time.